Most people overcomplicate faceless channel. I am going to show you the laziest method that actually works in 2026 to monetize your channel. I built a faceless YouTube channel in 24 hours, no face, no voice, no subscribers, and it started making money before the first 100 views. Most people think you need months to monetize. That is wrong. You need leverage and system. But the end of this video, you will have a step-by-step blueprint to launch a faceless channel that can qualify for monetization fast and make money even before you start your first pay. This is a channel I monetize in 24 hours, guys. I'm going to be showing you what I do, that what I did to monetize this channel in 24 hours. As you can see, I've started earning from this channel already. So these are some of the earnings I've earned, and these are the videos, some of the earnings I have made from the videos. So I'm going to be showing you everything step by step on how to get monetized in 24 hours using your channel. And here is the truth. Most creators fail because they build random videos with no revenue plan. But later in this video, I'll show you the one invisible switch I flipped that made the channel profitable from day one. Miss that part, and you waste weeks. So talk about let's talk about why most people stay broke on YouTube. You start a channel, you post 5 videos, maybe 10. Views are random. You refresh studio every hour, nothing moves. Here is the problem. You are building content first instead of building a machine. If you don't fix this, you will burn out. You will blame the algorithm and you will quit right before it works. The real enemy isn't competition, it's chose. No niche clarity, no monetization path, no system. When I built this faceless channel, I didn't hope it would work. I reverse engineered it. I choose a niche with buyers. I choose topic with search demand, and I attach money to every video before I even upload them. That is the difference. And the first step is not what you think. Step one, the foundation. Most people pick a niche based on passion. That is backward. You pick the money first. Here is the rule. Choose a niche that has search traffic, buyer intent, expensive problems. Examples: AI tools, finance, business system, software tutorials. Sorry. Why? Because advertisers pay more when viewers are buyers. It it's like finishing. You don't finish where the water looks nice. You finish where the fish are hungry. I search YouTube for keyword with low competitions, clear tutorials, work thumbnails. Sorry, when you have weak thumbnails too, there's a problem. If the top videos look leverage, that is opportunity. But picking the niche isn't enough. Now we build the machine, and this is where most people mess up in building the mechanism, in building the work, in building the machine. That's where they mess up. So, guys, in step 2, we are going to be looking at the process on how we can build fast and not perfect. So, in process 2, speed wins, perfection loses. Here's exactly what I did in 24 hours. I created a brand new using ChatGPT, designed a sample logo in Canva, created a banner in 15 minutes, scripted 3 videos in one setting, then production, script to AI voice. I was explaining on the production. When you write the script, you move to AI voice to generate where you want to generate your voice. After that, you go to stock footages where you want to use to make your to align your video. After, and then you go to simple edit, no semantic b-roll, no fence transition, just value. Each video follow this structure: strong hook, pain and bold cam, 3 clear steps, one strong takeaway, length 6 to 8 minutes. Why? Because that's enough for watch time, but short enough to produce fast. I think fast, yeah. Now here's the key. I didn't post any video. I posted 3 in the first 24 hours. This tells the algorithm the channel is serious. Momentum built randomly. But be careful. If you do step 2 without step 3, you will actually lose process. Here is why. Retention spike. If you mass upload content without a monetization breach, you are just building traffic for YouTube, not for you. Views without revenue is a vanity metrics, and this is where step 3 changes everything. So step 3, the advanced hack: monetize before monetization. You don't wait for absence. You attach one offer from day one. Here is what I did. Offer video reviewed or compared tools, and every tool had an affiliate link. Now think about this. If someone searches best AI video tool, they are already in buying mode. Even 200 views can convert. That is why the Chinese made it first commission before hitting monetization requirement. Small traffic, high intent, instant revenue. But here is the real hack. I didn't just drop links. I structured the script to build desire. Problem, you give a problem equals to agitate equals to demo equals to clear winner. Then you want to try it. Link below. Simple, direct, no begging. And this is where the invisible switch comes in, because most creators still fail even with affiliate links. And here is why I have showed you everything. I think you are going to be looking at minute 6, the message piece itself, how everything took place and how I arrived. The sacred positioning, not tools, not thumbnails, not even SEO. Positioning. Most people review tools like journalists. I position the channel like a shortcut. Before, here are 5 AI tools. After, the AI tool replace a full-time editor. See the difference: one in information, the other in transformation. When you promise a result, watch time increases. When watch time increases, impression increases. When impression increases, affiliate clicks increases. That is the glue. That is the clue. That is the clue. Video 1, 312 views. Video 2, 112 and 1,200 views. Video 3, 3,400 views in 9 days. Same niche, same format, but stronger positioning. That is the switch most people miss. And if you ignore this, your channel will look busy but stay broke. If one video format works, double down. Don't pivot every week. That reset momentum. Your next step isn't start another channel. It's optimize your thumbnail physiology, because click multiply every day. Watch the video, one screen where I break down the exact thumbnail that took this channel from 30 views to 3,000 per view. Fix your click, bring your money, move fast.